Hi, it's Miss House. I want to show you another example or two about factoring a trinomial using the AC method. So this time I'm going to do one that has a minus sign for the B term and a plus sign for the C term. So here's what I have. 4x squared minus 16x plus 15. 4x squared minus 16x plus 15. Now I want you to notice that this sign is a minus and this sign is a plus. That means that when I list my factors of AC, A times C is 4 times 15. That's going to give me 60, but the factors have to add to negative 16 and multiply to positive 60. So when I do my factors of 60 that add up to B of negative 16, they have to be a negative times a negative, because a negative plus a negative will give me a negative, and a negative times a negative will give me this positive 60. So I need to list my factors of 60. So let's do that first. So let's see, I'm always going to start with the smallest factor. So negative 1 times negative 60. Remember, I'm doing a negative times a negative to get a positive 60, and then I need two negatives to add to give me the negative 16. So that's not going to work. Negative 2 and negative 30, that will multiply for positive 60, but that adds to negative 32. So that doesn't work. Negative 3 and 20, and negative 20, sorry, that multiplies for positive 60, but adds to negative 23, so that won't work. Negative 4 and negative 15 will multiply to positive 60, but add to negative 19. So I'm getting closer, but I'm not there yet. Negative 5 and negative 12. That multiplies for positive 60, but adds to negative 17, so I'm really close. Negative 6 times negative 10. That's going to be the pair I'm looking for, because look, a negative times a negative gives me my positive 60 AC, and negative 6 plus negative 10 is negative 16. So that's the pair I need. So remember what we do next. We take these numbers we just found and we split our B term. So we've got 4x squared minus 6x minus 10x plus 15. And it doesn't matter what order you put in the negative 6x and the negative 10x. It can be in either order. And it should work fine either way. So now I'm going to group the first two, group the last two, bring down my middle sign. I take the GCF, 2x, out of the first pair, 2x minus 3, and I take a common factor 5 out of 10 and 15, and that gives me 2x minus 3. So my common binomial, 2x minus 3, and what's left over, 2x minus 5. And as I told you before, you can do this in either order. If you want to put these common factors in the first binomial factor, that's fine. I just like to bring the common factor that's a binomial to the front, and then what's left over I put in the back. but that's totally up to you.